Hi, my name is Salvatore Barca. I actually live in Australia, but from Italian descent. I've been involved in the hair industry for 47 years, and let me tell you, I've seen so many changes in fashion, and most important, problems what I see in hair and scalp. This is something that I want to focus on in my years moving forward. On my personal achievements, I've run many salons in Adelaide. I ran salons called Mondo Hair, which had operated 60 operators. At present, I still own 3 salons in Adelaide, which are a team of 25. Hair is my passion. I enjoy it. I love training all the young ones up, seeing how we can achieve a better look for a person. But the focus of what I've noticed over the years is that how can we help now the client to achieve better scalp and hair therapy? So this is the new thing, and I'm so privileged to be here at HTS Malaysia to be involved with this group who have got a passion for hair loss and how to create the look for it. Thank you.